again. It's been a while since I've posted on this Oh Hello YouTube channel, but I am back and I am sharing with you our September Deluxe subscription. This will only be available until September 1st. So if you want it, you gotta snag it up. This month's theme is booked, and it's gonna be pretty amazing. I'm just gonna show you. Let's start with the greeting card. So oh there, look at that smooth focus. Every subscription comes with a greeting card, and this is this month's card. It says, "Looks like my weekend is booked." Comes with this gorgeous foiled envelope. Digging it. Then we also have a roll of washi tape that comes with every deluxe subscription. Our mini subscription is a smaller version of this one. That does not come with a roll of washi tape. So if you are into the washi tape, definitely get this deluxe subscription. I love this roll of washi tape. It coordinates perfectly with this month's sub, and it's only available with the subscription. So if you want this roll, you gotta order the subscription. Every month comes with a bonus item, and this month I did some die cut stickers. So there are 4 different designs you will get. All of these are the same 4. You won't get like another different 4. These are the 4 designs you'll get. So you get some giant, awesome die cut stickers. You can either use them just like regular die cuts and move them from place to place, or you can stick them down and really commit. The subscription itself comes with 7 sticker sheets. You can also order it in either glossy or matte. So depending on your sticker preference, you can get it in either one. This is the washi strip sheet. These are actually 2 separate strips. So there's 2 here and then 2 here. So you can put them at the top of the hourly Erin Condren, group them together for the bottom of the vertical, or use them in your bullet journal or your traveler's notebook. Then there is a functional variety sheet. So you have quite a few quarter boxes, a lot of labels, and then your 2 like sidebar trackers. Of course, you gotta have some heart checklists. I just love the bold colors. I think this is a great kit if you wanna use it for back to school, or if you're just a book lover, you can use it any year, any time of year. Just any year or any time of the year. These are the half boxes, and then these are the gorgeous full boxes. Digging it hard. I'm in a very weird mood today. I am sorry. And then there are some variety fonts, as well as the decorative sheet with some smaller versions of the die cuts. So this is the full subscription in all its glory. Like I said, it's only available until September 1st, and then we'll switch to a new subscription. So definitely head to that link in the description box and order this before it is gone to the archives and you're missing out and you have some serious FOMO when you start seeing amazing spreads with this kit and you're like, man, I should have bought it. Don't be that person. Be the person who's like, man, does this week look dope in my planner? I don't know who actually says that, but just in case that's you, you will be covered. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Be sure to subscribe. There will be many more videos coming your way on this channel. The next one I'm going to be doing is showing you the different sizes of our traveler's notebooks, how they compare, how they contrast, what fits in them really well, different inserts, that sort of thing. So definitely subscribe so you don't miss that video. Give this one a thumbs up if you're happy we're back, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.